So first you have to go to google.com to download the MySQL software. So from the Google homepage, I'm going to search MySQL download. And then from here, you will have to choose the link MySQL installer. So once you click on that, you will land to this page, which is MySQL community downloads. And from here, just download the bigger size file and click on download. You don't need to log in or sign up. You can just say no thanks, just start my download. Click on that. And by default, it's going to the downloads folder in your PC. Click on save. And wait for the download to complete. File has been downloaded. I'm going to double click on it. Click on yes. And there are like multiple options you can choose from, but in our case, we're going to choose custom. Click next. And from here, we're going to choose the latest version of everything. So I'm going to show you what to do. So MySQL server, click on it. Again, click one more time. There are like two versions. Version 8.0, another older version is 5.7. I'm going to choose 8.0, and then I will choose the latest version, which is 8.036. And click on this arrow to add on the right hand side. Now I'm going to jump on the application, MySQL Workbench, the latest version 36. Now jump onto this shell, and same thing, shell. Okay, so far we have done this one, MySQL server, the latest version. We have done the application Workbench, the latest version, and the shell also the latest version. MySQL router, I'm going to choose the latest version as well. And MySQL connector, latest version 8.0. Then C++, even though it's not needed, but I'm going to still add it. And then Python. All right, that's all I have. Let me double check. MySQL server, which is the latest version, application Workbench, latest version, the shell, latest version, MySQL router, latest version, and then MySQL connector, the database connection, which is this one, and also connector C++, Python, this one. So you're all set. Let's click on next. Click on next is actually looking for where you want to put your all the installation or necessary files. By default, whatever is comes up, you don't have to change anything. Click on next. Yes, are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Execute. Next. And then it's going to take a little bit time to install everything. So I'm going to click on execute. So my installation has been completed. I'm going to click on next. Next. And in this type of networking section, I'm not going to touch anything. Click on next. And also whatever is recommended, I'm going to leave as is. Click on next. Now, whatever the password you're going to choose, make sure that's choose a very easy one. Do not try to put anything complex, because once you lost the password, then you have to uninstall and reinstall back. So try to choose very easy one. So in my case, I'm going to choose only root. Let's see it's going to take or not. Maybe it's going to give me the warning that cannot accept the root. Okay, password is weak, that's fine. Next, I will leave everything as is. I'm not going to touch. Next, also I'm going to provide the full access. Next, execute. So this shouldn't take that long. Is finish. Next, finish. Next, finish. If everything's successfully installed, and you will have MySQL Workbench window automatically open. If that doesn't open, what you can do, let's say this one automatically didn't open, all you have to do, from the search, type MySQL and click on the MySQL Workbench, this application. Click on it, and here we go. And you will see the local instance MySQL 80. That's the version. Since MySQL has been installed in your local machine, and you will see the local instance. So double click on it, and they will ask you for the password. That password we have used previously. Use that one. Click. You can check this one, say password in bold, then you don't have to type the password over and over, but make sure do not forget this password. Okay. Here you go. So this is the one, this is the query editor. Here we're going to create the database and also insert the data. We're going to play with, add, modify, delete, remove, and we'll run various kind of query. So it could be the simple to very complex. So hope the installation went through fine in your case. If any issues, just please comment or let me know. Thank you.